Concasse is a cooking term meaning to rough chop ingredients. Tomato concasse specifically refers to diced fresh tomato with their skins and seeds removed. An easy way to remove the outer skin of tomatoes is to drop them in boiling water for a few seconds, then immediately transfer them to an ice bath. This is called blanching. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil and prepare an ice bath. Remove the stem from the top and score the bottom with a sharp knife to make the tomato easier to peel after it is blanched. In small batches, add the tomatoes to the boiling water and cook until the skin begins to peel, about 10 to 20 seconds. You'll be able to see the score mark on the bottom start to open. Use a ladle or a large spoon to make it easier to fish the tomatoes out of the hot water and transfer them to your ice bath. The skin should easily peel off with your fingertips, or you can use a knife to help catch the edges. Then quarter the tomatoes, remove the seeds, and chop them up according to your recipe. I like to strain as much liquid from the tomato seeds as possible and add the liquid back to the tomato concasse or add it to a stock or sauce.